To start the TSB Bank remortgage process, first consider your current mortgage situation and financial goals. Determine how much you want to borrow and over what period. And check your credit score, as it can affect the interest rate you are offered. Next, review TSB Bank's remortgage products and compare their rates and terms with other lenders to ensure you find the best deal for your situation. You can use online mortgage calculators to get an idea of how much you can borrow and what your monthly payments will be. Once you have chosen a product, gather the necessary documents, which typically include proof of income, proof of identity, and details of your current mortgage. You can then apply for the remortgage online, by phone, or in a branch. After applying, TSB Bank will assess your application and may request additional information. If your application is approved, they will provide you with a mortgage offer, which you should carefully review before accepting. It is recommended that you seek advice from a mortgage broker or financial advisor to ensure you get the best deal and to help you navigate the process. They can also help you with the paperwork and ensure a smooth transition to your new mortgage. When switching to a TSB Bank remortgage, consider the costs involved, such as arrangement fees, valuation fees, and early repayment charges. Factor these into your calculations to ensure that remortgaging is the right decision for you. Finally, once you have completed the remortgage process, review your new mortgage terms and ensure you understand your repayment schedule and any conditions. By following these steps and considering your options carefully, you can successfully remortgage with TSB Bank and potentially save money on your mortgage repayments.